Okay, Master Mason. No, we're doing it up here for the Bluestone Militia. I actually wanted to talk about some of my thesis as a Master Mason. I'm just picking my fingernail with my chisel here and doing the best Clay and Mac gunnery sergeant, master sergeant that I can for you inside of the system. Obviously, not perfect in the whole way of from finishing school to do, but I bring a certain set of applications to it. You know, especially as the militia living right on the Delaware River for Bluestone workforce, you could get them to swim across the river at Fireman's Park every day. We'll run a mile and a half right down there. It's a little extra, about a mile and a three quarters. Get you down there on the 5 mile uh, Master Mason runs with some of the more athletic guys with 5 mile run on that. As much as we could do Bud Sealed training and just throwing you in the surf there every morning, even in the middle of the winter. Some of you are going to make it across, some of you ain't. You know, that's gear, that's training, that's what's figuring it out. In the backyard of just some stone piles of being a Bluestone militia, and that's the working jewels. That's how we get the bridge and road crews in a town model via the leisure of America, of your clipboard, your marshmallow here. And that's your general relativity. You know, so we're going to utilize and apply that model. I mean, at a certain point, I might explode your marshmallow all over the salient spacecraft. Obviously, I try not to get those wet, and I take that personally, not to drop somebody's bookwork in something, but I've sneezed and blown my nose all over my militia handbook. It just kind of happens in the field sometimes, so you got to figure out alternate systems and what technology and tools are most efficient for that version. You know, you want to do this for Excel on pattern calc. Maybe hopefully tomorrow we'll be getting into those. Talent or the Jaguar. We'll see how that goes. We'll figure out some numbers and we'll see what the timelines are. And in the same way, that's crossing the Delaware as a militia, trying to figure it all out. Inside of there, that's going to become that nation, that experiment. A nation is an XYZ box. You're going to define it by principles, wormholes, stacking, elevator principles, or higher orders and connections of two terms that are like